Eti Ghana for no abetiro margin 1 year down the lane NDC government no e den na esi ko enema e ko se Ghana for no be din komo o ma betiro we o si di aba form dollar aba form but petrol bo so aba form enso no enema muti say ankasa. What is the reality on grounds? Ghana for abetiro margin face no say busia enema cause we say what they ka o say what the security agency no ba ko ka wo Ghana ha no mu a chese me ma won chiremu na fe no Ghana phone be a compare MPP ni NDC na omo akeka nsem bi a kire Ghana phone a Penyah block media meso ase ni demo obe like video no that one put subscribe button and click the notification icon of latest update na ba kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment expense obaso a no ase first anya bi ahwe so obe ke man phone kwa kire kakra on say 2025 auto force in every budget wie ye no bia se eyajenkwa budget obia ni ajibo se Akufo-Addo never again and a budget no hopes adom di baby and a budget no a whole lot of issue just say anyone no fancy hunu and ye keka as you say ebinsi Ghana hanmoda enso mewa 2017 Kenneth Oforiata a ene and if why said the ase oba chiche scammer and this ni bia sika woni botomu no e bia se ohia no Kenneth Oforiata LD budget 2017. This is how Ghanaians reacted to the budget.
No. Auntie, about short. And that budget is here, dear.
And no budget. Me the master me say. Nana usa Nana usa na say. Oh kroko nyame. Nana ye wote. Ayabalo asa ye. Oh asa na say. Ah kroko nyame.
In 2017, after already in the budget area in 2017, this is how Ghanaians reacted to the budget. They were singing glorious song as chorus for Akufo-Addo all day long. But when reality started hitting, after 4 years and things started, going hard, also what happened? It became even difficult for the MPP to defend their own party. And who said this may be as if say a baby in Ghana politics. As if they don't know what has happened in this country before. I am mystery. Who say and this may be the day I am mystery. As you who Ghana who be that. Maybe they have short memory in such a way say they easily forget about it. They easily forget about things, but men short-minded. I say, men short memory guy. Me kai name apa. Me wo name data go on more. I may debug me video as evidence. It be the other say. Now 1 year down the lane. If you say Ghana economy, yeah. They say the Ghana economy average na dollar. Any fuel so. Ya nchake sika wo mani mu. Amanfo ho to wo mu. Ede ma te se sika okuro mu. Adwelfo to mu niema. Ya eno ya nchake no bi esi ale. Unya te Ghana economy average na dollar any fuel. NDC are limited the word economy no to just dollar. Meaning their level of understanding when it comes to economy. They have limited the meaning of economy to dollar exchange rate, to dollar CD rate. They have just limited the economy to dollar CD rate, and I don't get it. Meaning how they understand economy. Say the can we say economy we say dollar above form. Fuel boss so above form. It's an economy papa. But nyamia nim nukure nie multi-fruit superstar. Enke tuano. Na me turn 40 cedis. Anyway, but you see a superstar ketuano. Any number 55 cedis any actually. Common superstar and 55 cedis equal 60 cedis. But I say economy ne things are cool. Obia hotono. Bibia you okay. Na no. Ana busia media phone bi de camera kofa kromo. Akwetie adwadefo no ne Ghana phone bi adwen kire. Na we ni nsama omoka.
Yes, say. And Yamana messages from where when Yano. And Yamagra that's what Taman and Yama boarding. A born sign that's what here. It is always on me who say, and Yamaba from and Yamabia from Bibia boarding, Coco Cry, Jeffrey, 7 CD, CD, and Uncle Handa, Chamber Horror, 1,005, light, light, be and say, Yank is how many percentage at Yatum. What light, we told like 200 cities here, light 200 cities here, and 2 weeks light keke and so you say and to be any wa ba fam and yama mu thing am I chama no bibi ya fa ho onya fa ho ma yen
bibi ani wana first na minto ne enti na bibi a mitimito ne ne se wo ye adwuma nko ade a wo betimi ato bibi a pesa woto ba ne ete ne se enema ba ku mienu bi de ti se na me kan se bi anwa emo those stuffs ne de aba from ba edan ba from ti se mitimi to aduane di na medan cousins mi koma still a me wa crisis
me hospital say me de ni ma akwem jano de minimum worry ba me de munye because any man ko yima me we sika no menya bi de ya me gina me befa we abombo no mato kenki 5 cd no me di no manom na me gina ha me de se mu nko yi esonte we bi an sesan bible na ne nemu because we are making money from an operator like a matter 5. The other na just how much no eswati esonte
bibia sonte petrol no mo se yate so lolo fe ente so ukota de o marketa ne boarding mango ya mete hu ne boarding bibia obekwakoto market bia ne boarding nti bi de mi hu se bibia o ho ayate so yente hwe so omumbo am mi de me boarding beside de omumbo am me nya bi kura nko ye miti on dem tiri hu aye aka menya 100 cedis anka me koye mtio be menya bi ntimete ho ntibi de mi hu se bibi so ate na mabra bo so kra de enkoye kra
ya meka se nyama no eye na mom ye suban Ghana for ye suban bi na ha ye kakra ye obeya obeboa ye ama ye tumi atete nyama no so kanka won a wonu aduane ton eni ade no omo tete so kakra omo kasa nkyere won no mo tete so kakra emfama ye
first say okita 500 cities kura na ko ikurumsa woto enema center ade na asem na ye ka no ubetime nyanta ade be 5 because e be 80 cities e be 70 cities ene ekeka ho no but this time okita 500 cities no kura na ko a onya ne ma amiensa ne ma na aba fom no sika ni kurum anyway ene ma na ma fom ye woto light 50 Ghana me ko na bi su meter o fio to 50 Ghana intimi ni 2 weeks kura na asa me so bibia ma ba adwuma to bi pro de kini mi bibia wa ha obi ani fia o yewe nti aban ne hwe na onya hu bibi mai
ukota adwuma ukura things all the time na mai ba na bia o de kwan keke eye ko fa ne de sometimes no eye kakra ba de badwa so a esan so ukota obi ade a wonte so nti wo hu kwa fa so to de so nti e beka ne se de arbabo no emu nyu bebre sa but eye aban de also yen say also hwe na o regulating ma because though I'm working dollar number for men and never more but still now outside and the say we be what in so now so so
I get it to a point
yeah
I don't want to sound political but near me who say crow no say dollar rate above for mama obi andwini bi mu krum ha
I said 2017
I don't know why
2017 who can
be dollar above
yes
I don't know what is wrong with Ghanaians
we don't learn from history and history repeating itself
Luis Emma analogy be last week
okay
was say 2017 Ubusan BP ni biasema
free SHS
ena isi as about 2020
bia dollar
only ne ka semu a akwasi who raise pertinent issues for example akwasi say ye share issues like why are we sustaining the dollar rate very critical but they are above for more but if you go and borrow $10 billion now the shame one because so betua if you are using all your gold reserves to push into the economy, you pay for it.
And what do you gain?
And so once they be a same way.
Political capital.
Make same way media platform be. Me say can be. Me say Abanwe no is interested in optics. Niema nipa nendi omani ehunu. Ebeji atum.
Okay.
They have seen say Ghana for a Penyah to them no a opposite what the MPP did.
Okay.
And so washa. Akufo adobeka che ahemfo say montra say monya say
sorry
John Mahama say oh trance hey Mahama de optics nyankofo ni hu ye no eno no mo hwe akwasi so otena meka na say John Mahama Akufo adokwa na konwa hwe V8 mu John Mahama man plastic check ra obetrance akwasi awoso it benchia So what him say me ne pombi na nam. I was in Penyah, and when President Mahama came for the last Akwesi and Louis, the man virtually greeted every paramount chief 66 in Ghana. Oba wo umbrella say, and just so don't say to you, one wa hage, one wa di asumwasem. Ono kasa te se ne yonko, let me put it that way. Aso di mudada. He's a smart politician. Right. It is any man and I'm funny to one more. On Kai cry say you have to electricity move 4 times. You one is President Mahama amamwa ye kono. Yeah. But I say 1 year ni e dey pana government na ya ontimi nka bi nkyerɛ. But ohwa na ne ho kyerɛ wa actually na you obeka ne say dollar aba form. Okay. No dey ayo. Enti government ne so aye very strategic on the optics. Enti niema ye dey behunu e be kanfo e be boage so no. Eno nkwa no be. It was the man say, so the man sika nyina be hyem ama dollar na ba form because nipa na ni dollar rate e wo form ho more obeye. And that's what the NDC is doing. Invariable.
Na Sompa TV, there's a very gentleman bi o ho no mo. Na no so can see we kyerɛ mu say Mahama NDC security agency ni ba ko bika. As one hwe ntua e betima go fa oyele. Any basa e dia ba Ghana ha. Na e ko say ebro nsem so.
Okay. So ni sir.
Eja de bi besi
yapon
kwaku. Yanhwe yi a asem kese besi Ghana.
Yanhwe yi.
Na
ye hwe yi nso e.
Se ye hwe yi ya aban na. Me kan nyina me kan de si aban so.
Den.
Ya kan Hosea 8:7 no. I see they sow the wind and they reap where wind. Right?
Omugu mframa na omu twa hum.
And now no Prophet J.Y.Edu 31st in commission. Waka simbi na Ghana for mfa womani nko ho.
Okay dey.
We say francophone countries are try Ghana ho ahia. Who no Africa na ebe hyase. Na Ghana nhwiye e na mekan.
Omo from afofra.
Wo wie ye no wotu aban fo bi. Baby a ode Ghana nhwiye na mekan no. Afutuo no ne say aban hwa katuasem ni yie.
Katuasem
anya saa. Nkrofo no niam na omo ye of francophone countries ni betimi abeka Ghana. Eje
katuasem so se wa ankasa akyerɛkyerɛfo a
baby America de akosie na hyase baby. Na ene no me bosso. Me mo the agency.
Ummom
obebosso me bosso nko a. Sabaya nhwe yi a. One of the security agencies aban ni omu ni de yi. E wo sikasem ho. Yes,
trouble.
I say
security.
One of the security agencies in this country.
Na say what there? Eja say ekosua o yen candidate che.
Say wonim say masem a ya na me betena ha ka no. Nye yesi.
Esansa amaye wa hoodin ni nyina no.
Ejina security so.
No kre.
Ena wonu mu a
compare omusika nso akese na akọ security.
Wonu mu a niema ya Prophet J.Y.Edu atufo wo hoi. Say yan hwe na mekan security for na na eye.
Ayin.
Me say one of the security agencies ensemo boboba. E wo sikasem ho.
Ene mampeni nyawe o.
One of the security agencies in this country.
Ye wura ato.
Ye di teacher for de ayen kan ye. Me nka so mo mfa nko. Me say ye di teacher for de ayen mfa nko ye. Nurse for ye di wo musika ayen nko ye.
Won ho na di ye.
Aban no. Aban no nyame no mienu a. One more year service ye di wo musika ayen nko ye. Ye ntua ye. Former MPs wo musika ye ntua ye. Akodi one of the nia ye didie ya fofra ye dua emframen ye de kwa akudie ye de kwa akotwa hum e one of the security agencies in this country. Ya nhwe ye no omo sore a national security womo mpagya wo na ban me kan national security concern inte maka na enya national security for asem na me kan but a national security concern. Eja
security for ni bi
national security issue na maboso no over 10 months
nti aban we free awo kan no
sikasema making over 10 months arrears and they know
and eja to hwe won mamu na hwe
over 10 months na 2025 10 months o yasan yewura another year mu a first month ye wo second omutua me quarterly every 3 months no mutua ye dey ma omo ne yetua 2 months pe ne ma wo in the whole of 2025 aka 10 months January be kan ho aka 11 months February na ka 1 year
ntine kada de
2025 ka enkoye a national security issue me moso na me si teacher for ya for mo de me nka me guso ka me nka nwie nurse for ya for mo de national service for ne nurse rotational nurses for ya di omusika ye ntua ye na ya fa ya fofra de ko one of the security agencies e wo Ghana ha ho na wo mo home ne so a ye nko Ghana ha
emfa papa ma enti mpanimfo ntu ana mountain
we na makan mato de akoma ban no mu mpanimfo no wo mo mpagya wo mo home ne so yes sir we may be sitting on a time bomb
mo ene ahana bere makwan ema yede wapem
that was ya at large TikTok has no about comparison MPP NDC why ana eboa Ghana na why said the Ghana ekwa achire waiting some
so the main difference between MPP governance and NDC governance is that one, so we are analyzing from President Kufuor 1992 of MPP till 2024, and we will assess 1992 of NDC to 2025 of NDC using precedents for. So one, the President Kufuor, and the NHIS by, or the NHIS by also. On the day if you compose universal basic education, so you're there, buy. Those of ESA, you were around 2,000 they account. They free maternal care. The free maternal care, no first on all cry. You enjoy she. In the free honor Ronaldo Danko Ekufado, so 2016 of MPP. This is the free SHS buy. Now free SHS it to be Buama amount for Momuko school ni the can say that and the Obia Eko school ni bi. First not during any small time not obi to me go school ni the account. That's one. At Ameo's time, I think may so rest in peace. This will intimate anything effective yes. I didn't make at Ameo say na Oche Bible. Any bia or any the account. President Mama did not go doom so because that's what we know him for doom so those kind of things. The highest we are ultimately interchange and UGMC and Ukano MPP in start here now over 2 hours on the account. So if you clearly tell you say the kind of initiative by any MPP by country and more than to the extent say MPP feels so crana to me initiative not to me around because NHI is one, FSH is one. Feels so cry initiative to me one, but there's nothing substantive about NDC or my so Omuni will cry it to me running. That be no social intervention programs, nothing.
Omo Eka. Chirawa Mame, comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.